everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today, Chicken Marsala. A lot of people wanted it. We're going to do it. Let's get to the ingredients here. Here's what we got going on today. We got some red onion. You can definitely use shallot. I use red onion because most people are going to have red onion readily available. 1 clove of garlic. I just sliced it up. It was a fat clove. Some fresh rosemary. You don't have to use it if you don't got it. Got about 8 ounces of chicken breast here that I have laid out in some plastic wrap and I beat down, and so they're nice and thin. 4 ounces of mushrooms, half a cup of cream, 3/4 of a cup of sweet marsala, and I got some seasoned breadcrumbs over here, and we're going to get the cook going on here shortly. See you back. Alright, so we're going to get the cook going. I wanted to give out a shout out to 2 people that have helped me out a lot. And they both come out with new products. So I actually went and bought them, obviously, because that's what you do. So the first and foremost is this from Scott at the Real Show Barbecue. Can you get that? You can see his focus in there. He has come out with sauces, and he has been such a great help to me. And I will leave him his information down below. And he's just got great pies, great videos, great channel. So please go check Scott out at the Real Show Barbecue. And the other one, which I got this week, it's been a great week. It's been like an early Christmas for me. I got this from the Root Boy Cooks. Another great channel. He's come out with a couple rubs. And this is the one I bought. It's Root Boy Rub #1. And I will leave his description down below. And also a couple other shout outs to a couple other YouTubers that have helped me out. My Lincolnite neighbor, Mr. Smoky Goodness 2.0, and Rich from Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Hey, let's get this marsala going. And before we do that, I said breadcrumbs. I meant flour. Alright, let's get it going. Alright, to get this started off with our chicken breast, we've got going on here nice and thin. As you can see, just a seasoned flour. You want to get a nice even coat on there. You don't want it, see what I'm doing there? Just nice and easy coating of flour on there. Do it to both of them. You don't want, obviously we're not using anything like egg or anything, we're just put it on like so. That will help thicken our sauce a little bit later on. But that's how we get this started. Next, to the stove. It's going to be simple and easy and fast and delicious. Alright, time to get the chicken on. So let's get it going here. We got a mixture of some olive oil and some canola oil in here. It's over medium-high heat. A little sizzle in there. Because we want to get a little bit of crust from this. We're not going to cook this all the way through. We're going to get crust, we're going to flip, we're going to pull it off, then we're going to start adding other ingredients. Bring it back. Alright, I'm back. I just gave him a flip. We got some nice color on them. I'm just going to give this a little bit of time here. We're going to start pouring our ingredients in. I'll bring you back when we start doing that. Alright, time to come out with the chicken. Alright, here we go with our red onion. Our garlic. We'll let those go for a little bit. Alright, we've worked the rawness out of our onions and our garlic there. We're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of fresh rosemary. A little bit of salt. A bit of pepper. And stop all that from getting dark. We're going to go with the mushrooms. These will leach out water. So make sure that your onions, your garlic, whatever else you got in there, it's not going to burn. Because now, once these mushrooms start releasing their juices, it's going to be a big steamy bath until they get all done with that. And then you'll get a sizzle back. Look at the sizzle now. It'll be a little steamy bath, and then you'll get back to sizzle. Welcome, add some stuff here. Here we go. Mushrooms are going. Looks good. All right. Now, we are going to add our marsala. It's going to reduce the tone. Smidge more of salt, because I gotta say smidge because it irritates chin. So I'm saying a smidge more salt. This means a little bit more salt. Fresh cracked pepper. We're gonna reduce this. We're gonna add some cream to it. Then we're gonna be done. We're really close to done. So I'm gonna keep you here. Been a pretty short vid so far, so we'll keep you here and we'll bring you through this. I got this on a medium-high heat right now, so see how it's not going to take long. It nicely reduces. Really quick. I'm going to add the chicken back in. So here we go, back in with the chicken. I don't know if you guys can see it, but see how these bubbles are getting bigger? That means your sauce is reducing down and you're getting where you need to be. Now I'm always pulling back the sauces in the pan, but that's the way you need to check it. It's not quite there. It's really, 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 really close. Then we'll add some cream to it. But it's time to finish cooking your chicken. Make sure you flip it. The chicken will soak in some of that deliciousness of the mushrooms and the garlic, the rosemary, the salt, the pepper. Alright, and now once you cook a lot, you can hear it. You can hear it. You can tell by sound. I can tell by sound this is getting really close. You can tell by the bubbles, you can tell by sound. Look, there we go. Half cup of cream. Alright. We're still maintaining the heat that we're at. It will come right back up. It won't take long to get back to where we were at. Give these chickens another flipper in there. Make sure that they're getting all their due. Always good to pull the mushrooms back on top because those are basically done. Now we're just reducing sauce at the moment. So there you got it. You got your chicken marsala, your creamy chicken marsala. We're going to reduce this down a little bit. I'll take it back when it's just about there. Sauce there. 2 tablespoons of butter, which I didn't tell you the ingredients because I kind of forgot about it. I'm going to go in there. We're going to melt him down. We're going to kill the heat. And the next time I see you, after I throw a little bit of fresh parsley in there, give it a little bit of color, then we plate this. Alright. There's our finished product. There's one of our delicious chicken breasts. There's the other. Creamy, delicious marsala sauce. What I'm going to do is to finish this. Good old amount of parsley. There you got it. We got our creamy chicken marsala. Thanks for coming back to Cooking with Corey. I love the support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cooking with Corey. And don't forget, to go to these guys. They'll be down in the bucket. Oh, I said that. Smoky Goodness says that. I watched too much Smoky Goodness. They'll be down there below. Also, this is River Dirt. He's one of them. Got some of that too. They'll be down there. Thank you for coming. We'll see you next time on Cooking with Corey.